5 riffs you can play using only one string. Welcome to Melody Bar. Number 1, Seven Nation Army by the White Stripes. What a classic riff. This song actually came out in the same year I started playing guitar. So while playing this in my first band to teaching it, I must have played that riff thousands of times. It can be played on one string, which makes it brilliant for beginners to learn. The string we're going to use is the A string. That is the 2nd string down, also known as the 5th string. You're going to go all the way up along the A string, right up to the 7th fret. As you can see from the tab, we are going to play 7, 7, 10, 7, 5, 3, 2. 7, 7, 10, 7, 5, 3, 2. At full speed. Number 2, Smoke on the Water by Deep Purple. Now don't look at me like that, but where would you be as a beginner guitarist without the Smoke on the Water riff? It is a staple in learning guitar to learn this riff. I feel like this video would have no place without it being there. We're going to go in a few sections here. We're playing on the low E string, the 6th string. First part, O, 3, 5. The second part, O, 3, 6, 5. Third part, same as the first part. 0, 3, 5, 3, 0. 3, 5, 3, 6, 5. 3, 5, 3, 0. Do you see full speed? Number 3, Sunshine of Your Love by Cream. For this one, we want to go to the D string, which is also known as the 4th string. It is this one here. You want to go all the way to the 12th fret, the one with the 2 dots. This is how we play Sunshine of Your Love. That is 12, 12, 10, 12. That is 7, 6, 5. 0, 3, 0. 12, 12, 10, 12. 7, 6, 5. 0, 3, 0. Try full speed. Number 4, Iron Man by Black Sabbath. Iron Man by Black Sabbath is played on the low E string, the 6th string, and it's played like this. 0, 3, 3, 5, 5. You've got this little bit here where I'd suggest using your 1st and 2nd finger. It's 8, 7 on and off. Shall I do that again? 8, 7, 8, 7, 8, 7, 5. There it goes. 4, 5, 5. 3, 3, 4, 5. Get that? And that's a little bonus there. I don't even remember if that is in the real song, but did you see the way I slid off the final note? Number 5, Another One Bites the Dust by Queen. Again, this is played on the low E string. For this one, I want you to get used to stopping the notes as soon as you play them. And I do that by picking and straight away putting my palm down. It's a little bit more of an advance than total beginner, but it'll make the difference. If I didn't stop them notes, you'd get this. It's not got the right feel for this song. Okay, so let's go through the numbers. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, 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 3, oh, 5. 3, oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, 3, oh, 5. Quite hard to say that as I'm playing it, but you get the idea. And that little, it's not there every time. If you just have a listen to the song, you'll get when that comes in and when it doesn't. And there you have 5 riffs you can play on 1 string each. I hope you enjoyed that video and learned something. Please like, share the video, and make sure you subscribe for all future videos. Like this one right here, I'm sure that'll help as well. Melody Bar, music for everyone.